As an artist, I don't just copy. I choose what to keep and what to bend. Watch how this small decision changed everything. I started with a light outline using a HB pencil just to block in the basic shapes. This one bit detailed but really fun to create. Let's get started. Hi everyone, in this today's video I am sharing the complete process of my pencil still life drawing made from a real life reference. I used basic pencils HB, 2B, 4B, 6B and 8B and focused on light, shadow and form. This is the reference image I used. You might notice the cup handle in my drawing looks bit different. That was intentional. I simplified the shape to make the composition cleaner and more balanced in pencil. Then I slowly build up the shadows, focusing on the direction of light in the setup. I always prefer starting with the lightest tones and layering darker shades gradually. By the way, while working on this drawing, I have been testing something new for my self-care routine, Neowise hair oil. It's rosemary based and I have been using it for a few weeks now. Honestly, it's lightweight and smells super refreshing. If you are into clean, minimal self-care, definitely check it out. I have linked it below. Sometimes little changes helps the final piece look better overall. What do you think? In the final stages, I added the darkest values with the 4B and 6B, 8B to increase the contrast. That really helped me the objects pop and gave more depth to the drawing. I also refined the edges to keep things neat but realistic. I used cotton to smoothen certain areas, especially the cup and the shadow underneath. The most fun part was capturing the soft edges of this and highlights on the surface. It's all about patience with pencil work. Tiny strokes make big difference. I hope you enjoyed watching this process. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see more pencil drawings like this. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more art content. Thanks for watching.